Ashow is a small village located in the heart of rural Warwickshire, 4 miles north of Leamington Spa and 2.5 miles south of Kenilworth. And tucked away at the very edge of that village is this hidden gem, Oaks Hollow. An equestrian property with just over 17 acres, with views out onto the Stoneleigh Abbey Estate grounds and also the River Avon. You can barely see any form of civilization. It's that peaceful and private. Let's start inside. This detached barn conversion was refurbished and constructed in 2005. Until that point, it belonged to and was part of the Stoneleigh Abbey Estate. On the ground floor, there is an enormous open-plan L-shaped reception room which incorporates drawing room, dining room, breakfast kitchen and family room area. There are also 3 other bedrooms, a family bathroom and a study, utility, pantry and 2 separate cloakrooms. In total, there are 5 bedrooms. The 2 main principal bedrooms are positioned on the first floor and both have ensuite facilities. The floors, doors, skirtings and staircase are a light, natural ash wood. The coach house is currently used as a successful and stylish Airbnb with a 5-star rating, which brings in around £70 per night plus cleaning fees. Although inside is very special, it is outside where this property simply stands out from the crowd. From the grounds, it is almost impossible to see any other man-made buildings within the vicinity or in the distance. It is incredibly private. The current owner has made many significant changes, including the introduction of 6 premium stables, a gallop and a manège, to name a few. The formal garden areas are landscaped and enclosed. The driveway again is private and accessed via remote-controlled wrought iron gates. Within the grounds is a detached coach house with garaging, workshop and an annexe on the first floor. If you would like more details or to arrange a viewing appointment, please contact Fine & Country today.